There's something in that one.
Oh. Oh. Huh? Weird. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm down here at Swift Performance in Aylesbury to tackle the next stage with my M2 competition. Big thanks and shout out to everyone that's watched the first couple of videos on this, let's call it, rebuild process. 10 minutes ago there was a brand new G87 M2 black one, and when I say brand new, it had done 27 miles, literally been driven down from the dealership to here. It was really nice, manual, carbon buckets, etc. The plan for this evening is to take the head off and then just work our way down from there. Hopefully we're going to see some sort of obvious damage. I say hopefully because we know from the pressure test in a video a couple of weeks ago that cylinder 3 was leaking, so we presume that it's a bent exhaust valve. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Let's head in there and see what Russ is up to. So what you're timing it up before you pull the head off?
Yeah, because I need to undo these as well. It all just needs locking up.
Right, I walked away for a couple of minutes and I've come back and Russ has removed the Vanos unit, which is down there. Yet again, exposing more and more. Matt has turned back up again in his beautiful 1M. What a lovely evening, look at that. Sunset in the distance. That's Russ's really cool Datsun pickup truck. Absolutely love it. It's got massive turbo on it. It's Jody's 325 TDS Touring. Right, so Russ is now removing the fuel injectors. They look like that.
Because they screw on. Oh, they screw.
So now we are, or Russ is, removing these springs that control the variable valve lift, which is essentially this motor here and this cam here. But these springs are under massive tension. As you can see, look at the rear one. They're at that angle and they come out like that. So you can see why you need this specific tool. Russ is now taking out the main bolts that hold essentially the engine together, really, right? Or the head on anyway. Of course, like everything in here, it's really difficult to get to. But yeah, that just gives you an idea. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Look at that bad boy. Wow. So well, that one's just come out from in there. And there's one over there.
There's 2 rows of them basically.
Okay, what, 3 on the top, 3 on the, or how many?
There's like 7 there, 7 there.
Oh, wow.
And then you got a couple of torquey ones around the front.
Unbelievable.
Or like 4 around the front, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unreal. It never, ever stops. Oh yeah, right, we're going to stop for some food now, actually. Oh, there's another box of bits from my car. Another box down there. That's all mine. There's a shelf over there with my stuff on it. Oh, there we go. We don't have a fancy table this time. Where's Mac gone? Oh, he's not here.
What do we think?
That's sweet and salted chicken. That would be good. Try it.
Is that chicken, is it?
Try it.
Where's the squid one?
Squid.
Okay.
This is well needed.
How happy you look.
You are structural.
Me and rocks.
Okay, here comes the big reveal. We've got Freddie, Jody and Ross. Yeah, I better get out of the way, as always.
Okay.
What does that weigh, roughly?
Towards me a touch.
20 kilos? 25?
I'm going to look at Russ's face and try and judge what that means. 20, oh, is it about that? 25 kilos. Right,
you can see where it's here, can't you? There's something in that one.
Oh. Oh. Huh?
Weird.
Can you see any damage in there? Like anywhere around it? And what's that? Cylinder 5, right? And there's nothing. Where's that torch?
The 2 is the one with the exhaust valves on.
Yeah, it doesn't matter where they are. It's not off a gasket, is it?
That's what I said. It looks like it's flaked off a gasket or something.
It looks like it's something that's got some shape to it.
Yeah.
Well,
It looks
cylindrical,
like the
isn't
top
it?
of a valve, but it's.
Right then, guys, it's just gone midnight and everyone else has left. It's just Russ and I and the M2, the special lightweight edition. It understeers a bit more, this one now. It needs a bit more weight over the nose. Yeah, so we've taken the head off, as you just seen. There's a slight mystery, but we think it's just somehow, we don't know what it is, like a little bit of metallic. Here it is. This was sitting on top of one of the pistons. The good news is, well, there's no extra damage, and nothing visible at least that we can see. And the good news is Russ has found one of the valves, one of the exhaust valves on cylinder 3, which is this one here. This is the front of the engine. 1, 2, 3. One of them is showing that it's slightly bent, and we can actually get, it might be hard for the GoPro to see, but we turned the lights off a minute ago and you could see the light coming through this particular exhaust valve. But that is even a bit of a mystery. Russ was saying the fact that it's just the one.
We'll change all the exhaust valves as a precaution.
Yeah, so Russ is going to put all the exhaust valves out, have a good look at this. Nothing crazy visible. I mean, when it happened, I honestly, in my naive way, thought that we're going to find like pistons, valves hanging off and pistons through the crankcase and everything else. But actually, it's a minor thing. And Russ was just saying there that in fact, because I actually turned the engine off when it happened, and he said if he timed it back up, we could have fired it back up and it would have just been misfiring on one of the cylinders. Russ has decided to go a little deeper and pull off the cover of the exhaust cam. Have a look in there. Oh, right, okay, yeah, so that's... So which one's cylinder 3 then? 1, 2, 3.
From the dark depths of my toolbox.
Oh, what's that, a valve?
Spring compressor, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Just trying to decide how far we're going to go.
This is commitment. It's now midnight and Russ is just on a mission. You know I was joking about driving the car back in the morning, don't you? There we go, wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Wow. That's amazing. Well, that must make you, I mean, it's definitely made me happy, just visibly seeing that the valve is definitely bent, right?
Well,
Oh, it's...
I already knew it was.
Yeah, I know, but well, for me, that's like, I don't know. Yeah, I have some pleasure in seeing that. Now he's going to pull the rest of them out and we'll do the same test, scientific wiggly test. Oh, is this the next one? So is this
Yes, bent as well.
Oh. Oh, it's true. Slightly less so,
Less,
right?
yeah.
But
Still a mess.
yeah.
And curiously, you couldn't see with the light, could you?
No, that. And look what Russ did before he took them out. He engraved on the bottom of them, because obviously we're replacing these. He engraved which number each valve or where they sit, so we can figure out which ones are the main culprits.
I mean, this isn't the most scientific way, obviously.
Yeah, well, once they get pretty straight, it's hard to tell, isn't it? That one's bent as well.
Yeah, literally. Oh my god. Well, we'd already decided to change them all. So.
Yeah, well, it looks like that was definitely a good idea anyway.
Yeah.
But you know, the amount of effort and time it's taken to get to this point, I'd be crazy not to replace certain things just to be on the safe side regardless. Russ has taken all the valves out, the exhaust valves. All of them are bent, some a bit worse than others. As Russ said a minute ago off camera, kind of shows that the cylinder leak down test isn't a gospel thing of doing, because as we saw in an episode earlier on, well, that showed that it was almost perfect except for cylinder 3. But looking at the valves, they all appear to be bent. We're going to get them all replaced. Russ is going to get the head sent off. It's fast approaching 1 o'clock now, so it is getting late. I'm going to go. Massive thanks to this legend over here. Stay tuned for another update coming at some point very soon. Until then, take it easy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.